I'm going to show you how to set up the Milwaukee M18 Fuel router to use the Slab Stitcher templating system to put in a bow tie inlay. When you first get the router, it comes with this little plate on it, but it also in the box has this larger plate, which is the one you'll want to use. It also, the Slab Stitcher system has this little ferrule that fits in here. So you want to put that in where the little collar sticks up on the side where the screw holes are indented, so you can screw in from that side. And then you just affix it with this little brass screw-on ring. And that sets up your guide for what will hit against the edge of the template, so that you can just follow the edge of the template with the router. The first thing you want to do is you want to put the centering pin that comes with the system into the router, into where the bit goes, and then you put this on the router, and you screw it in so that it's centered. So I'm going to take the bit out that I have in there right now. And I'm going to put this centering pin in here and just tighten this down. And then I'm going to put my plate on here where the screw holes line up, like this. And then I will attach the plate to the router. So now I know my bit is centered in the collar. Okay, so now I can take the centering bit out. And I can put my real bit that came with the Slab Stitcher system in and get it tightened down. And then what you have to do is you want to set the exact depth to the depth of your cut that you're going to make to the bow tie depth. And the way they explain to do it, and I think the way that seems to work the best, is to actually use the template itself and two of these bow ties, and you want to make sure you're on a flat and level surface here. And then what you can do is you can loosen up your adjustment, and you're going to set this flat on here to where the bit just barely touches the surface of the workbench. And then what I like to do is actually just back it up a hair, so that these bow ties will actually sit, once they're pounded in, they'll sit a little bit proud, and then I can plane them off so that they're perfectly flush. And you can just double check it here, eyeball it like this. Like I actually might want to back that up just a little bit because it's still a little too deep. I would like to have this bit just a tiny bit below the depth of that. But again, just use this system here where you put it down on here, and then use your adjuster and then lock it in And that looks good to me now. Then to use this, you basically snap your whatever size you're going to have into the whatever size bow tie you want to use, template into the template holder, and you clamp this to your workpiece. You drill a hole, a pilot hole, so that there's a place for the bit to go down into the work. Then you turn it on and you route out the inside, and you can see here that the collar is going to follow the edge of the template and give you a perfect bow tie once you get sort of all the inside cleaned out. So let's give it a try.